Hey guys, it's Destiny Lachey. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated foundation routine. I know it's been a minute since I've done a makeup routine, so make sure you watch the entire video because I'm going to be giving you little tips and tricks, and I've changed up everything. So make sure you watch the whole video. I did drop some new loungewear on Shop Destiny Lachey, so go ahead and check that out. We do offer free shipping now, which is great. Only US customers only. I am wearing one of the little loungewear sets right now and it's so comfortable. All right, I'm done rambling, but go ahead and check out the website. It's down below in the description box. And one more thing, everything I use in this video will be linked in the description box as well. I'm going to be using affordable products as well as high-end products. All right, I'm done. Okay guys, so I've already done my eyebrows, my eyelashes, my eye makeup and everything. So I'm just going to show you guys my basic beat for my face, what I've been using lately and how I've been doing things because I've changed up a lot. My primer, I only have been using like one primer because I like to glow and I love to look dewy. So I've been using my Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is in the color Radiance Bronze. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. If you do have like large pores, I would suggest using a primer on top of this that fills in your pores. I'm not going to use that today because I don't feel like I need it, so I'm going to skip that step. But I really like to rub this in all over, and as you can see, it gives me like a nice dewy looking look. So for foundation today, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match. This is an oldie but goodie. This is in the color Mahogany N9. And I love this because it gives me a skin-like finish. It's not dewy, it's not matte, it's like normal in between. And it looks so nice on my skin. I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply that. I'm going to put it on my hand first and then apply it. Just to make sure it's not too red. Nope, it looks good. So I'm just going to blend this in all over my skin. And this foundation comes in so many shades. And this foundation does oxidize too, so it will look a little different going on versus when it dries. But I love this because it's so skin-like. And if you do want full coverage out of this look, I would suggest using a concealer before foundation, just to conceal any dark areas that you have, like on my forehead. I broke out from using the sheet mask on my forehead, which I'll never do again. I would go in usually and like conceal my forehead a little bit, but I really don't feel like doing all that right now. So next, what I've been doing is actually adding a glowy liquid for this next step. So I'm going to use my Cover FX little glow drop. I've used this so much to where the packaging is like disintegrated, but it's so good. It's definitely worth the money. You can get this at Sephora, I believe. I just put a little bit on my sponge and then I apply it to the high points of my cheek. This just really gives me a nice dewy finish for my highlight without looking chalky. And this makes me look like I'm glowing from inside out, you know what I mean? I just like to glow, okay? It's winter time, but we can still glow in the winter. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And I like to put it up here as well. And you really don't need a lot of this either. I put some on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, everywhere I would highlight, and on my chin area. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and contour. Now, I know if you've been watching me for a while, you're going to be a little confused because I usually go in with my concealer and then contour, but I've been doing contour first and then concealer lately, and everything comes out so much better. Like, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick, and what I'm going to do is put this where I would contour, and I've only been doing my contour like this lately. I haven't been dragging it down. I'm going to use my little sponge and literally drag it inwards like this. Blending it out. And you see how like seamless that looks already without even trying? That foundation stick is great for contouring. Like, so nice. And I tend to be really sloppy with my contour, so going in with concealer afterwards makes my contour look better up here. So now what I'm going to use is my LA Pro Concealer HD Definition Concealer. I don't know why I said all that, but this is in the color Fawn. You guys have seen this on my channel plenty of times. I've gone back to using this for my highlight because it looks so good. So what I like to do is just apply the concealer under my eye like this. And you know how you like forget how much you love products until you put them down, you try new products, and then you come back to the old product? That's what I did with this. What I'm going to actually do is let this sit for a little bit while I go in and do my blush. And then I'm also going to do the tip of my nose and the bridge, my cupid's bow, actually my entire top lip, and my chin. I didn't finish my eyebrows, so don't judge me. I'm gonna apply some blush. So what I've been using lately for blush is lipstick. Either lipstick or a cream cheek color. So I've been liking pink lately too, which is weird. But it's like a dark, hot pink kind of. So for my blush today, I'm gonna use my Bachelorette Matte Lipstick by Huda Beauty. You can also get the Maybelline Cheek Heat. This is in the color Fuchsia Spark. This is really good too. This is a little bit more dewy than the matte lipstick. So I think I'm going to use Huda Beauty today. But I'm going to apply the lipstick right here to my cheeks. Like on the apples of my cheeks. Like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer out because it's been sitting there for a little bit. Just blend it out, and I like to keep my concealer in the center of my face, so I'm not going to blend it out too much to where it's on the side of my face or anything. I'm going to blend it out like this. I'm just tapping really lightly, just making sure I get everything blended. Cupid's bow on my lip and my nose, and now I'm gonna go in and blend out the blush. It doesn't look chalky, it just looks so pretty and nice on the skin. Like, this has been a game changer for my makeup. Like, I would have never thought. Would have never thought. And I know Fenty has their cream blushes. I really want to try that now that I'm into like cream blush, you know what I mean? You can also do it like this too if you're a little scared of that version, and just apply it to your cheeks like that. And I bring my blush all the way up. I'm gonna go ahead and use a new beauty blender. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the original color, and I'm not going to set my face too much because I do want my face to be dewy, but I don't want my face to melt off. Set my concealer underneath my eyes just a little bit. This. And I'm not doing too much, you know? I'm also going to set the center of my nose and my chin and my cupid's bow a little bit. So I haven't been using my MSF by MAC either. Insane. But I'm going to use a little bit today just because I think I added a little bit too much powder. I'm going to use that with a fluffy brush and just sweep away the Laura Mercier powder. So for bronzer, I have been using my Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty. And I just use a nice fluffy brush, and I put a little bit of that on this brush and just warm up my face a little bit more. The blush really helped a lot to warm up the face. If I was like putting on makeup and going, I would just apply my cream blush or my lipstick and go. But I just want to be a little bit more warm, so I'm going to add this. When you're applying bronzer, which is like a warm tone brown shade, it's going to look like you're not doing anything. Don't go too ham at first because it won't look like you're doing anything, but when you step back or put your face in daylight, you'll see the results of the bronzer. So I'm going to bring some of that bronzer on my forehead. And then I also take my bronzer, per usual, and put a little bit on the sides of my nose because I don't really contour my nose, but I like to have a little bit of a shape to it. Terrible. So I'm going to use the Sonia Kasuk highlighter, and they used to sell this at Target, and it's amazing, but they don't sell it anymore, I don't think. If anyone can find it, please let me know where it is. But the Huda Beauty highlighter palette is very comparable to this. I like this one as well, but like I always reach for this one, and this one was cheaper. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my cheekbones, just so that we're glowing a little bit more. And I love how it attaches to the liquid highlighter I put down. It just looks so nice. So nice. Sometimes I just put this all over my face. Down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. And I also put my highlight up here. Oh, I'm going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier in the color medium, and I'm just going to use that to chisel my cheeks underneath a little bit, just because, like I said earlier, I'm a little sloppy with my contour and stuff like that, and I just want to clean it up a little bit. So what I've been doing also to make my foundation look even more skin-like, naturally I have like beauty marks. I have one on my eye, I have one somewhere around here. I'm going to basically put them back in. So I'm using my NYC liquid liner. Any black liquid liner will work just fine, or dark brown. I just lightly put a little dot, and it just adds a skin-like appeal to my face. Oh, I need to sweep away this powder. Under here. Okay, now for lips. I think I did everything. Oh, let me spray my face. So I've been loving this NYX Radiant Finish spray. Super affordable, and it works great. And it gives you like that dewy finish too. Alright, so the last step is my lips. I've been using 3 things for my lips lately. I've been using the Fenty Cream in Cookie Jar. I've been using the Fenty Gloss in Glow. And then the Huda Beauty Last Night lipstick. So let me show you real quick how I do it. I always apply some lip plumper to my lips just to get rid of some of the wrinkles in my lips. And then I go in and apply my lip cream. This is like a dark chocolate lip cream that looks so pretty on, and I just use the end of it to go in and kind of outline my lips. And then I go in with the Huda Beauty lipstick in Last Night, and then I go on top of that with my Fenty Glow. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out some of these other videos that I created. They're bomb too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!